At some point, I had tried to bleach my skin. In the African community, bleaching is very normal. It ended up burning me. And in that moment, I was like, girl, is it really worth it to try and like conform to somebody else's beauty? My name is Claire. Last name is Ateku. I was born in Kenya. For a long time, I was searching for my identity. One of my earliest memories of kind of self-discovery was not feeling that type of love from my own community, the Black community, the African community, getting comments about like, oh, you're midnight black, African booty scratcher, your lips are super dark. We weren't having the same conversation that we're having now about colorism. I grew up in a suburb of Dallas called Allen, Texas. I was probably one of 2 Black girls in most of my classes. When I think back to myself and where I kind of stood in like the high school hierarchy, I thought that the prettiest girls were the white girls who were cheerleaders. I wore my hair straight for most of high school. Having straight hair made me fit in with the people that I was hanging out with. Having straight hair just felt more digestible at the time. One particular memory that sticks out to me, I went to the mall before prom because I was getting my makeup done. I'ma look so good. When I walked into the mall, none of the makeup artists looked like me. I just remember being 16 or 17, looking in the mirror and feeling like I looked like a clown. It was really hard for me because at the time, prom is the moment where you're supposed to feel your most beautiful as a young adult. And I didn't have the tools to really advocate for myself in that position. So I paid for this crappy makeup session, went to my car and literally bawled my eyes out. I just don't think beauty had advanced the way that it is now, to where people of all skin tones, people of all textures can go into a makeup place and know that they're gonna leave and feel beautiful. I remember being in 7th or 8th grade and watching 106 in Park and seeing Free with her big afro and her beautiful brown skin and being, I want to do that. I want to be as beautiful as her. I want to be as like natural and as proud as her. I want to be a host, which I am now. It wasn't until I went to Howard, which was primarily Black, and realized how much I was missing. Howard is the mecca of Black beauty, where I went to Howard and I saw so many just different types of beautiful people from all over the world, so proud in who they are. And I think that's where I started to wear my hair natural, started to really experiment with what my hair can do. And then also where I decided I gotta learn to love myself, because how the heck can I expect anybody else to love me if I can't love myself? I take this role so seriously as representing for dark-skinned women, representing for first-generation Americans, representing for people who I guess are like the underdogs. If I could just talk to my younger self, I would be like, embrace who you are, because you're gonna grow up to be bomb.